5 reasons why you should get a perm, alright? 5 reasons. Alright, yo, what's good? I haven't made a perm video in such a long time, but I feel, you know, I've been getting a lot of DMs from people saying, bro, I don't know if I should get a perm. Bro, what if I get bullied if I get a perm? And they're just coming to me and I have to motivate them. I have to give them advice on if they should or they shouldn't. I just wanted to make this video because when I had straight hair, I was in the same boat. What if my hair looks bad? Like, you can't, it's like permanent. That's what literally what a perm stands for, is permanent. So like, if you don't like it, you're gonna have to cut all your hair off or something, you know what I mean? But I'm making this video for 5 reasons I believe, and hopefully I could help you make your decision. I'm not gonna make it for you. And that's another thing that I was having trouble with. Like, I don't wanna be making people's decisions for them, all right? So like, whatever you feel, I'm trying to get y'all to make your own decision. Real quick, before this video starts, I wanna shout out this company right here. It is called Beep Official, and they sent me this long sleeve. It's a turtleneck, actually. It's a turtleneck, so it's boom boom. Look, all black turtleneck. Where if you got some chains or something, you can really, I don't know if y'all can see what it says on the neck. But yo, shout out to them. Link in the description. They got a bunch of like dope clothes. I have a video idea in mind, and hopefully I could do it, but I have to talk to them in the DMs, you know, let them know that I'm shouting them out on YouTube now. And you know, there's a bunch of guys watching this, bro, and I'm gonna be completely honest. This long sleeve is fire. Like, I'm always looking for a nice long sleeve turtleneck. Look, with the perm chain, it just looks good. But yeah, Beep Official. I think it's Beep Official. It's Beep. All right, link in the description. Before this video starts, let's try to hit 400 likes. All right, 4 is my favorite number. Let's try to hit 400 likes. And let me know what other perm hair videos y'all want to see. Okay, but let's get into the 5 reasons why. All right, so the first reason I think personally, guys, and let me get this clear, this is all personal, you know, some of the reasons why I did. Again, make your own decisions, right? I'm not forcing you, I'm not trying to make decisions for you. You gotta be your own person. But I think the first reason is if you wanna try something new. Like me, I had straight hair for 17 years and it was just so boring to me, you know, like people dye their hair because they wanna try something new. People like always do something different with their hair, and me, I didn't want to dye my hair. Like, this is something I didn't want to do, but I wanted something new. I'm not gonna go bald. Like, I have to have long hair. I have a big head, a big old head. I can't have short hair. I didn't want to comb over. I didn't want a mohawk. I wanted to try something new. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some insights. So I used to go live on this website called YouNow, but I love live streaming, right? And I would wear a visor. I haven't even worn a visor with my hair yet. I don't even know how I look. Damn, I even look more like a light skin. All right, well, this thing's not sticking, but I used to wear a visor and then I would put on a wig like this. And this wig is nappy and poofy like some of the people that got natural curly hair be looking like this, bro. Nappy trying to come at me and, oh, bro, your hair is fake. Like, I'm gonna cover that, all right? But if your hair looks like this, bro, I'd rather have this than nappy ass curls, all right? But yeah, I would always wear a wig and a visor. And people always said like, yo, is that your actual hair? That actually looks good on you. And I was like, I wish. I mean, I don't know. I have straight hair. And I would just wear it to get views. Like, people would think that's my actual hair if you see a big old poof on somebody's head and be like, damn, boy, that's really yours. And so I would wear the wig. And, you know, I was like, you know, how could I get curly hair? And I saw videos on YouTube about the little Bantu knots. I was like, dog, I can't do that. There's no way I could do that. So the only option was to get in a perm. You know, I want to try something new. So for 2 months straight, I would grow out my hair. I was growing out my hair. I would go to school and I would just get a fade on the sides and the back. And I would go to school and people would be like, damn, boy, you letting yourself go. Like, what's wrong with you? And I knew in the back of my head, like, I'm getting a perm, but I just didn't want to tell people. I wanted to surprise people. Literally on social media, I told all my followers I was going bald. And they all really thought I was going to go bald. So for 2 months, or like a month, I didn't post my face. I didn't post my head. Like, I told everybody I was going bald. And everybody in my school, they saw me and they're like, boy, you need a haircut. Cause like my hair was growing out. And so like what I did is I told the person that cuts my hair, Erica, y'all seen her in the video, I was like, I want to get a perm, what do I need to do? And she's like, you gotta grow your hair out. And I was like, all right. Anyways, you're gonna go through an ugly phase when you're growing out your hair. And I was like, all right, you know, I'll deal with it. I want to try something new. I'm gonna be committed. You gotta be committed. It's commitment, baby. You gotta be loyal. I need y'all to be loyal. Hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications, all right? You know, so promo real quick. But yeah, I wanted to try something new. So that's the first reason. Grow out my hair, boom, got the perm. Second reason I've seen a lot of people get perms, they already have curly hair, but they have big old curls. Like, you know, they want tighter curls. Personally, I like tighter curls. Tighter curls, all right? And so yeah, that's another reason. If you want tighter curls, or you can get bigger curls. If you just want to, you know, change up your curl style, that's another reason why you should get a perm. You know what I mean? And keep in mind, like, if you get a perm, your curls are going to be more defined because you're making the curl, like you're putting it around the rod, so you can choose what size you want. And let me add this in. So a lot of people come at me with, yo, your curls are fake. Yo, your hair is fake. I got natural curls, I'm cooler. To counter that, my hair is not fake, all right? I'm not wearing a wig, I'm not wearing a weave anymore. Like, this is a wig. This is fake hair. Like, I'm not saying anything against girls wearing wigs, but that is fake hair, okay? And they still take it, they have hair. Me, this is my hair. This is the equivalent when your girlfriend, I don't know how many of you guys have girlfriends, when your girlfriend goes on the curler and puts her hair in, are you calling her hair fake? Like, that doesn't even make sense. It doesn't make sense. Like, literally, I wrap my thing, put some chemical, like, it's still my hair, bro. Some of y'all are actually like dumb. I don't know what y'all are thinking. But to the kids that want to get a perm and are afraid of getting bullied, man, just don't live your life based on other people's opinions, bro. It's your hair at the end of the day. Like, are you gonna really let somebody tell you how to live your life? And in my head, bro, it's your own hair. Are you gonna let them, if they say wear a dress, you're gonna wear a dress? Like, it's that simple. Your parents should have taught you this. And if they didn't, well, I guess I'm gonna have to be here and teach you, all right? I used to be super insecure when I was younger too, and I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly how dudes feel. Me, I was super insecure, bro. I used to get red. I used to be nervous, you know, shaking, oh, you know. And now, bro, I'm way past that. I'm telling you, life gets way better once you stop listening to people's opinions and just actually do stuff. Like, letting your insecurities go and actually doing stuff. But yo, I'm turning it into I'm having a motivational speech right now. If y'all want one of those videos, let me know, bro. I could really, like, especially like that. A lot of my godfathers are, I'm not trying to be, you know, I'm not trying to be that person, but some of y'all are insecure, and I'm not gonna bash you for it. I really want y'all to get over that. But third reason why you should get a perm is because personally, they're easier to take care of. Like, I wake up, get in the shower, my hair gets wet, boom, curls are redefined. They're already, boom, curls are made, and I just shake my head and done. Dry it, done. Before, when I had my straight hair, I would have to go do the same thing, take a shower. I have to get gel, put it in my hair, style it how I want it, maybe blow dry it. That would take 15 minutes. Me, if I put product in my hair, it takes less than 5 minutes. Boom, 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 hit it. Y'all seen a video. I literally have it on the screen. It's so easy. Like, it saves time. I look better with curly hair. Like, so much easier. The fourth thing. So, the fourth reason is a little, I don't know. So, I plan on growing out my hair. You know, I wanted to grow my hair out, and I have an idea of what I want to do with my hair now. So me, when I had straight hair, I couldn't grow it out. Like, my hair would just literally, it would only go so high, and then it would start flopping, and I didn't like that. If y'all seen like my perm video, y'all see my regular hair. I wanted to grow my hair out, but you can't when your hair is super straight. Like I would have girl hair. Like, I didn't want to. I don't know how it was gonna look. I just didn't want the hair. And with this, my hair is growing so long. My hair is literally like, the front of my hair is longer than the back of my hair, because that's how I would always get it cut. And it's like super long right now. Super long. So I wanted to grow my hair out. It's that simple. If you want to grow your hair out, that's another reason why. Fifth reason, Bro, I just hated straight hair. It's so annoying. I didn't want it no more. Like, I was just tired of it. And don't let these freaking people, oh, I got natural curly hair, bro. Good for you. You were born with that. Good for you, dog. Like, what are you gonna do with your hair? Are you gonna get a flat iron and flatten your hair and make it straight? Like, it just doesn't make sense. Like, my comments on the other videos, some of them are just so dumb, bro. Like, oh, I be laughing like, damn, bro. Why y'all watching my perm video if y'all already got curly hair? Like, bro, thank you for the watch time. I appreciate it, man. Yo, my hair, this perm is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Like, it blew up my channel, bro. Thank y'all so much if y'all found me for my perm. Make sure y'all go watch some of my other videos. And if you haven't yet liked the video, comment. But, yeah, my perm made, all I'm gonna say is this hair has paid for itself. All right, and I'm blessed. Thank you. I think we just hit 10,000 subscribers, baby. I just want to say thank y'all. But yeah, guys, those are the 5 reasons why I think you should get a perm. If you are still debating, I mean, you could DM me on Instagram, and I reply to everyone about perms. I'm trying to give y'all value and help y'all, because I've been in that situation. Like, should I do it? Should I not? And just to get it clear, I got a perm with tight curls. You can go to my rods video, this video up here, and I show exactly the whole process again of getting a perm. I literally have so many perm videos. But if y'all want some more perm videos, drop a comment below and let me know what other videos I should make, because I love helping y'all like other guys. I wish when I was younger I had a YouTuber like me to help me make decisions. All right, so I have 2 video ideas that I think I might be doing. All right, I'm gonna do them either way, but let me know if I should put it in a video, shoot it on camera. All right, first video idea is I think I'm gonna pull a fast one, and I'm gonna get my ears pierced. Boom, boom. If you are a dude wondering, yo, should I get my ears pierced? Boom, boom. I mean, I don't know how it feels. Some of y'all like, man, it's gonna hurt. I don't know if I look good. I'll take the risk for you and do it. Yo, but I was gonna show y'all the Mrs. Jessie product that I've been using, but a bunch of people been telling me that I should try can too. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do a video review on it. Let me know if I'll let y'all know if it works. And another thing, bro. People tell me, why do you want to be black? How does me getting curly hair make me want to be black? I got nothing against black people. My favorite artists, like music artists, are black. But how does me getting curly hair make me want to be black? I do not get it. But yeah, hopefully that helped you make a decision if you should or shouldn't get a perm. Again, make sure when y'all get a perm, 48 hours, don't put anything in your hair. You can only wash it with water. Fade on the sides, all around. Comment some more video ideas y'all want to see around perms, or other just guy videos y'all want to see. Because right now my audience is like 50% girls, 50% guys. So if y'all could do me a favor, support both content I make. I blew up off of making videos about perms, so let me know some videos you guys want to see, because I don't think a girl's watching a video about getting a perm. Alright, but if you watched the full video, comment lifesaver. I don't mean the lifesaver is about, oh shoot, the camera's about that. Comment lifesaver if I saved your life, you know what I mean? I'm just kidding. But yo, comment lifesaver, and like, comment, subscribe, follow my social medias on the screen, follow my Instagram, DM me, bro. If you DM me and say, first 5 people to DM me and say, send me the number 4, I'll follow you on Instagram. Hurry up, my camera's about to die, baby. Stay juiced, adios.